whipping up the babies, got the pot.
May.
Tag along with me while I go make a delivery somewhere quickly. It's not part of the usual rides that I do, but I was not in the mood to take a car to go make this delivery, so we're just going to do it on the bike. It's going to be faster, and it's right here in town, Gardens, not that far from it. So let's just make a quick drop and then we'll go home. That'll be the video after this. But for now, I don't know how I feel about this weather. Yeah, there's like low-hanging clouds on the mountain, in the air, but it's quite warm. Like, it is quite warm. Bike off the start line. So smart. So smart. Because you were in the wrong way. It's quite windy. And that is drastically pushing me back. Wow. And just be careful over this intersection. It's quite bumpy. Wee. Oh my word, look at that wind. God damn. It's like blowing everything away. Whoa. And if I remember correctly, this light turns right first before it goes green. Yep, there we go. So we wait just a little bit longer. Yeah. Alright, now it's gonna go green for us. That was all on me. That was just right there. Wee. Oh my god, I hate the roads in town. It's so bumpy. I'm making my way to Gardens. It's not that far from here. Please don't tell me this guy's trying to turn from there. Okay. And again, this wind is just insane. Oh my god. I feel like I'm gonna blow the bike over. I'm having to lean it left just to avoid the wind from pushing me over to the right. This wind is insane. I don't think it's gonna come across on video, but wow. Yay. Idle. Don't act up now, come on. Come on. Behave. Oh no, she's not behaving. Those loud pops means that's gonna have the issue just now. Okay. Let's just do some preventative shit. Do that. And then that. Kind of resets the bike. And then that issue kind of goes away. For a little bit. It'll eventually come back eventually. I think that's going to go green first. Yep. So it's just a preventative type thing, or when the issue does arise, kill the bike, kill switch it on and off, key on and off, and then give it a restart, and there we go. If there's an FI light, goes away. The loud pops go away. Sounds almost like it's backfiring, like really like crazy. Always fun driving through Gardens. It's so, oh nope. Yeah, the bumps, they really fuck with the bike. Yeah, it's not liking the bumpy roads. Oh, it's really not liking those bumpy roads. I don't know what else to do anymore. Like, it just becomes jerky. And the bike just becomes, through traffic, unrideable. But in normal conditions, manageable. But through traffic, when you need that snappy throttle response, it's just not possible. But anyway, we're almost there. Thanks for watching this one. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.